Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial: how Photoshop tutorial for freelancer. Make $10 design fast. Start with blank canvas, perfect for social media gigs. Choose a product or service to promote quickly. Use free mockups or simple shapes for layout. Add bold texts for headlines and keep it minimal. Now apply drop shadow for depth. Use bright color combinations like orange and blue. Add small icons to make the design look premium. Save as PST and JPG for quick delivery. Reuse this template for multiple clients. Show mockups to clients on realistic background. Keep turn time under 30 minutes. Delivery confidently and scale your